Hello, hello! For today's video, magluluto po tayo ng curry. Beef curry guys. Hindi na sana ako magbibideo kaso tong isa gusto daw niya mapanood. Second time, hindi pa rin niya makuha-kuha guys. So, ang unang-unang gagawin, first thing to do when making a curry is our curry paste. We are doing our own. We don't have any ready-made curry paste. So, gagawin natin guys, we just chop 1 onion, ginger, and garlic, guys. Ayan, inuna po natin ang ating sibuyas, guys. First thing first, onion until aromatic, and then put the garlic and ginger together. Ayan, guys, mikos-mikos nyo lang. Pag na-mix nyo na, mikos-mikos nyo. Ayan, guys, until golden brown a little bit. Huwag sunugin. And guys, thank you for always watching. Kung saang bansa kayo nanonood ngayon, please comment down below for any suggestion guys according to making curry. Baka may mas okay kayong suggestion, please comment down. Yan guys, lagay na po natin ang ating tomato. 1 tomato guys. Hanggang mag-melt ng konti bago natin ilagay yung curry powder. Para makagawa tayo ng curry paste. Very simple guys, very easy. Ayan, 2 tablespoon of salt. 2 teaspoon pala, excuse me, it's just 2 teaspoon. And you can add according to your taste later. 2 teaspoon of chicken powder. And guys, and sugar. Optional guys, pero mas okay siya kasi alam nyo na, maanghang. Yan guys, imikos-mikos nyo ulit. Just mix it. And then if everything is okay, we can add a curry powder. I add a little bit of oil guys because it's a bit dry. So I add a little bit, maybe 2 tablespoons. While I'm cooking this, Kay Samsam is watching me because she want to learn how to cook beef curry. This is the second time actually, but she cannot get it properly. So I make a video for her. We add 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of baking, oops, blah, blah, blah. 3 tablespoons of curry powder, guys, is a medium hot. Hindi siya masyadong manghang. So, imekos-mekos lang natin, guys, and let the fire medium high so the curry will not burn. Okay, guys, kung maglalabas-labas na yung mantika, pwede na ilagay ang karne. Na-boil ko na pala yung ating beef dito, guys. Kinat ko na rin. Tapos, ayan guys, ready na. Na-prito ko na rin po ang ating patatas guys. Pwede na po nating pagsabay-sabayin kasi naluto naman na yung mga yan eh. Sorry, my dog is barking outside. So, imekos-mekos lang natin. Just mix all together. And then, yung pinaglagaan natin ng beef, the beef broth, don't throw it. And we can use as to make it watery, this one. We can add the water here. Ang English ko, hindi ko na alam kung tama o mali. Patuloy lang natin ihalo guys hanggang maihalo lahat yung curry. Mix all together. And then i-add natin yung pinaglagaan natin ng baka kanina. Sorry guys, maingay siya yung aso. hate kasi yung postman. Ayan guys, i-add na po natin yung pinaglagaan natin ng baka. Pero yung baka guys, kailangan 2 boil muna ipon at hugasan para malinis. Yan guys, i-boil na lang natin po hanggang maging malapot yung sauce niya. Then okay na. Yan guys, halo-haluin, takpan natin para mag-boil siyang maigi. Madalian na lang to guys kasi the beef is soft, the potato is fried already, so you just need to boil it around 15 to 20 minutes roughly. And then takpan. Ayan guys, antayin natin kumulo. Haluin nyo din, baka dumikit sa baba. Kung minsan kasi dumidikit yung mga patatas sa baba. Lalo na yung apoy medyo mataas. High fire na ang ginamit ko dito guys para madaling maluto yung patatas. Ayan, tinetesting ko yung patatas guys. Di ko pa to tinitikman kung ano lasa. Pero yung amoy okay na okay. Sa amoy pa lang alam kong okay na rin eh. Ayan guys, please subscribe to my channel, follow, and comment down guys any suggestion for this video. Kaya na ang bahalang humusga. Try nyo na lang guys, masarap po yung curry na to. Ayan, hinahalo ko sa baba kasi takot ako baka masunog eh. Mataas kasi yung apoy nito guys. Kaya kailangan nating haluin paminsan-minsan dun sa baba. It's tikiman time guys. Ayan, hopefully it comes out nice and yummy. But I'm sure it's yummy, right? Yan, okay na guys. Sarap. Pakuluan na lang natin hanggang, kasi yung potato ko pala, hindi pa pala siya fully cooked. So, kailangan natin siyang pakuluan para maging malapot yung sabaw and then maluto yung ating patatas. Masarap na partner nito guys, garlic bread, roti, or rice. Pwede na din. Kasi masyadong mabigat eh. Garlic bread is the best. Thank you guys for always watching. Thank you, thank you. See you next vlog.